Hi, today let's make simple and easy street style tawa pulao at home. It's very simple. In a pan, add in some butter and oil together and add in some cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start spluttering, add in some sliced onion. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description box below. Once the onion is slightly brown, add in some ginger garlic paste. Mix it really very well till the raw smell goes. Next, let's add in some chopped tomatoes and then let's add in the veggies of your choice. Like here, I'm adding in some peas, capsicum, I'm adding in some potatoes and then giving it a good mix. If you like to add carrots and cabbage as well, please feel free to add it. This is one pot meal, very quick, very easy. It will be done in 15 minutes. Next, let's add in some spices like Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, salt and cumin powder and give it a good mix. The veggies needs to be coated along with the spices really very well, and let's cover it with the lid for at least 5 minutes. This recipe takes 15 minutes as I said, so 5 minutes will be for the veggies to get cooked evenly. Otherwise, the veggies or the potatoes tend to be raw. So 5 minutes, let's cover it with the lid. Now the veggies looks, it's like cooked very well. Now again, just give it a toss really very well. Next, I'm adding in some pav bhaji masala and give it a good mix. And then whatever leftover rice you have, here I'm adding in basmati rice. Add it to this spice mix and let's squeeze in some lime for that zest and the tanginess and give it a good mix. Each and every grain needs to be coated with this masala. Toss it really very well and finally garnish with some fresh coriander leaves. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and follow to my channel. Don't forget to enjoy your food.